guys, welcome to yet another unboxing video, and today I'm unboxing a laptop from Xiaomi called the Mi Notebook. This is a horizontal edition, and of course the tagline says always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. Well, we just hope so. And here on the box you have some basic features, some top features. It's feather light, only 1.4 kgs, 35.49 centimeters horizontal display, powerful sound, up to 10 hours of battery life, ultra high speed storage and robust metal body. So these are some of the top features that Xiaomi is promoting as far as this laptop is concerned. And as you can see, the packaging is pretty basic, and let's open it now. You get, of course, this charger. Look at the design. It's nice. It's a matte silver finished laptop. Here you can see, of course, is the USB port, the speakers. Of course, there is an aux cable input as well. This is the power button, and see its width, if you see, it's very slim. It's a slim laptop, and which is why Xiaomi has named it the Mi Notebook Horizontal Edition. In the meantime, let me show you the charger. This is the charger, and you plug it on the side of the laptop, and here is the other connecting wire, and you just directly put it on the switch. Along with this, what else do you have in this packet? Let's see. Yes. Now, you also get a camera along with this. You know, whenever you have to do any, let me show it to you. This is the camera. Whenever you have to do any video calls or video chats or conferencing, considering we're all working from home these days, so this is what the camera is meant to do. You just simply place it on top of the flap, and this USB needs to be connected into one of the ports of the laptop. Yes, it's all set and done. So guys, look at the display. The display is pretty smooth, and in fact the keypad also that I'm working on, you just have to do one click and it performs all the basic functions. Now, it's very important to remember that the Mi Notebook Horizontal Edition is available in two variants. Of course, the performance is good for a thin and light 14-inch laptop. The slim screen borders actually come at the expense of a webcam, because you have to put a webcam, which is why the borders are perhaps thinner. So overall, this model is quite light and compact, and of course with this laptop, actually this Xiaomi has entered the laptop market in India and the premium laptop market in India. So this has an all metal body, including the body of the webcam. This is an aluminium magnesium alloy. We like the minimalistic look that Xiaomi has gone with, especially with the fact that there's no logo or any kind of design on the lid. I'll show you once again. It's just a plain surface. I've personalized it with some of the stickers here, but nothing but the sand blasted texture of the metal is here, and it's amazing. You know, we also notice that the silver metal takes on a warm hue when seen under bright sunlight. It almost looks gray when it's dark. So I think it's amazing. Overall, the laptop looks pretty decent, looks pretty nice, and of course, this is all from this unboxing video.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now.